So I'm walking the dogs, and all of a sudden I see this car with gas, this truck with gas under, you know, and I was about to tell the guy, and I'm like, hey bro, stop trying to start it, because I can smell the gas, you know. I was like closer, I was like about there, you know. And I'm like, bro, as soon as I'm like signal the guy, like, hey, stop, you know. And right there, boof, it catch it on fire. Hey, no. Come on, chill out. Come on. So, I'm sorry. The dogs were barking some people here. So, like, in that same moment that I was about to say something, boom, the fucking thing catch on fire. And I'm like, and they're inside the fucking truck. And I'm like, bro, get the fuck out of there. And they're like, taking their time and shit. I'm like, man, these guys are fucking retarded, or they're like on something. So I called 911, and here they are doing. Listen, that was a tire just popped. And here's the firefighter doing their thing. Get the fuck out of the way. I'm trying to record this. So yeah, guys, that was crazy. Like, that was fucking crazy. Like, I saw it happening, you know, like in the movies, you know. Like, the driver, he wasn't realizing that it was on fire already under the truck, you know. That's crazy. Come on. Let's take a closer look. So yeah. It looked like look, it's still going. Like, it's that gas, you know. Like, it looked like the gas tank under the truck cracked, you know, because it was like, I can see the gas on the floor, you know. I can smell it from here. I'm like, oh, that's not good. And the guy was keep trying to start the truck, you know. I'm like, bro, hold on, don't do it. And right there, boof, catch on fire. Look, it's still going. The fire's still going. That's crazy. That's crazy. I wish I could. Well, I was talking to 911, but I wish I could record the whole thing, you know, from the beginning. So yeah, they got it under control now. Doggies, what do you guys think? Yeah, definitely, Tina. What about you, Chili? Yeah, I agree. Alright guys, see you guys later.